All right. Blender Maniacs, are you guys ready to go into Pandora's box? The first step to this course is obviously downloading Blender now. Right now, it's Blender 2.8 to A, and you could access this at Blender's, or this is the official site for Blender. You got a bunch of Blender news here, and all the way at the top, the most important button is Download Blender 2.8 to A. So let's go ahead and do that right here. I have the Windows installer. You could actually install it on Mac, Linux, or Windows, and you have all the options right here. So I'm just going to click Download Blender, and let's strap in and get ready for an adventure. Once it's downloading, you could see on the bottom left, right here, it's downloading this right here. And once it's downloaded, we're going to install it. So I'll be right back. By the way, I just want to let you guys know you are breathtaking. Yes. All right. Now that we've downloaded the installer, we need to install the downloader. I'm kidding. That makes no sense. Just go ahead and click this to install Blender. Now it's doing all this fancy Blender stuff in the background, so go ahead and let it do that, and we shall be ready to install this awesome 3D program. By the way, I've been doing this for 11 years now. Once you get hooked on this and once you start Blender, I'm sorry, but there's no turning back, and you're going to be a part of the Blender community for life. All right? Click that little next button right here. Let's accept and agree to sign our life away. Honestly, I have no idea what any of this says, but Blender is safe. All right, click Next and then click Next and install. Of course, you can install it in a different path or directory that you want, but right now, we're just going to install it in the default area here. Click on Yes to allow Blender with that. You can see right now it's validating the install and all this other stuff, computing space requirements, etc., etc. Now it's removing files, so it's removing all the stuff that you just installed. I'm kidding. All right, now just click that fancy Finish button right there and boom, we have installed Blender. Now where did it go? Nobody knows. But if we search it for here, Blender, you see we now have Blender app on our computer. And tada, Blender, now I know before you get overwhelmed with this interface and all these buttons and modules, don't worry, we're going to go over all of this in the next following videos. But you now have Blender welcome. You have now opened Pandora's box, and there's no turning back from the amazing creativity and the amazing stuff that we shall create within Blender. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Tschüss for now, Overlau.